And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this Disney Junior Minnie Mouse pop-up game. Now, I'm not going to say the brand name, but many know what this looks like. And inside of here is everything that you get. So first off, a cool little hanger. Do not disturb. The castle is closed, or welcome to the castle. Thought that was pretty cool. Then it includes 25 Disney Junior Mini stickers, which that's pretty nice. And of course, the game. So if we open this on up, you can see nothing else in there. You get your little instructions sheet, which has the rules of the game and everything. I'll just kind of put that under there. And then all of your pieces, as you can see, there's 4 of each color, like a light purple, a light green, a very light pink, and another pink to match Minnie. And then this is the board. Essentially, you've got your dice in the middle, and you just press it, and it goes from 2. You would take your spot out and move it 4 spaces, of course, once you get out of start. But you've got all the little Disney characters here, perfect for your Disney fan. And this is essentially everything that would come inside of this little Disney Junior Mini pop-up game. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you everything that you get in this package. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.